Very specific. I want that to be my ringtone. Oh, can you get my phone, please? I'm going to record that and I'm going to say it as my ringtone. We've picked now, but I'll finish it off. Basically, I was two phones. Don't mean to brag. I was 8 when I discovered I could swallow the sausages whole, basically. I was 8, right? My mum had made me Heinz more sausage and beans in the tin. Obviously, I got rid of the beans. I looked at the sausages and I went, I wonder if I can swallow them whole. And the answer was yes. I'm like a greedy little seal rewarding myself for tricks. I'm like, I was doing it when I was just popping sausages out. I was popping sausages. This harmonised. Popping sausages back, and then my mum came in the room and went, "Oh my God, are you joking?" I went, "No, Mum, I'm swallowing sausages whole." And she went, "That's my boy." Oh, just before I go, that's all I was going to do. I had like 2 pages. I reckon I got through like a quarter of the first page. So I'll come back. This is just for me now.
No, really. I didn't even know I could do that.
I've got to turn the volume up. Yes, I'm famous. Yeah, I'm going to set that as my ringtone. I'm more than happy to share that with anyone who wants it. See me after the show, I'll text it to you, or follow me on Twitter, Brice, and I'll upload it as like a WeTransfer link or something. How do you spell Sheetan?
S-H-I-T-E-N.
S-H-I-T-E-N. And I'll do. How do you describe that noise? But swallowing sausages, obviously. Obviously, so but Sheetan swallowing sausages, link online available for all. One more for luck. We're very close to it going too far, aren't we? We're on the cusp of. Anyway, thanks very much. This has been great fun. See you later. Bye.